students, it's me, Debbie Novitz, your favorite cyber English teacher, back with another lesson to help you sound more like a native speaker. Today we're going to talk about 8 phrasal verbs using the verb break. Okay, now remember, phrasal verbs really aren't that difficult. They're nothing more than a verb with a preposition that changes the original meaning of the verb. Think of them as new vocabulary, and then maybe it won't be so difficult. The first one is break in. That's to make something comfortable or so it's no longer new. Like, you know when you buy a new pair of shoes and they're not very comfortable, but you know if you wear them a while, they'll feel better? That's called breaking in your shoes, or I need to break in these shoes. Also, it's to enter forcefully. So you think about it as they broke into the bank during the night. Now remember, phrasal verbs, the verb can use all forms. It can use past, present, and future. It also means to train a new employee. So Samantha is training a new accounting clerk, or Samantha is breaking in a new accounting clerk. To break out, it means to escape. The prisoners broke out of jail last night. It also means to celebrate. Break out the champagne. It could be a skin allergy. Oh my God, chocolate makes my face break out. It also means something that happened suddenly. The student demonstration broke out fast when they heard the news. Break up. It's to end a relationship. Carlos and Maria broke up last week. I broke up with my boyfriend yesterday. I don't sound very sad because I really didn't break up with anybody yesterday. It means to make small pieces. So go ahead and break up that flower pot and throw it away because it's no good anymore. It also could be a bad phone connection. Hello, I can't hear you. You're breaking up. That's when your cell phone doesn't sound very good. The connection's a little fuzzy. To break down, it means to flatten using force. So go ahead and break down those boxes before you throw them out. It can mean also to be very upset. When she heard the news, she broke down and cried. And it also means something that's failing to work, like last night I was driving, then all of a sudden my car broke down. That's why I don't have a car, because I don't want it to break down. To break away means to leave. Can you break away from your meeting early? To break off means to kind of tear away. So can you break off a piece of bread for me? Or it means to separate. She broke off the handle of her suitcase. To break through means to pass through a barrier. So you'll need to break through that wall in order to make an opening. It also could be an idea. I had a super breakthrough last night, how I could make my classes even better. To break with means to end a connection. So like John McCain broke with the Republican Party to become an independent. And that's all for today, students. Go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you get more videos. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me some comments. I'm always able to reply. Thanks, and see you soon.